Hello everyone. Today's date is 21 September 2022. Today's our topic is about the Hibernate architecture. So before discussing today's topic, let me introduce myself. I am Chittaraja Gondlewar. Basically, I belong from Maharashtra, but currently I am staying in Pune. I have done my engineering in civil electrical engineer in 2019. So this is all about me. And let's see our today's topic is Hibernate architecture. So Hibernate, it is a class which is a provider of JPA. JPA means Java Persistent API. So in which is used to create a table in a database with the help of ORM. ORM means Object Relation Mapping. The Object Relation Mapping, the process of that Object Relation Mapping is that in which the object which is converted into the SQL query, this SQL query will fire on interface. Uh, fire on interface. This SQL query is fire from interface to the database. The database which is gives a response in the form of rows, and this rows which is converted into object. So basically is concept that the Hibernate which is used to create a tables, that means column in the database with the use of entity class. Whatever the entity, whatever the entities are present in the entity class, which is that's from that we have to create our columns in our database. So basically, the Hibernate, which is a provider of JPA. So whenever there are two types of query which are fired from the interface, that is derived query and native query. With the help of this query, we have to create our tables in our database. So there are some annotations which are used in Hibernate. There are main annotations in entity. Entity annotation which is used to given a class. When we use entity annotations, whatever the data which is present in the entity annotations, this data, by use of this data, we have to create some columns in our database. So basically it means that the entity annotation which is important for the Hibernate. So with the help of that entity annotations, Hibernate, which is create our the tables in our the database. So this is all about the Hibernate in Spring Boot. Thank you.